All right, guys, I'm back. Where are my Louis Vuitton lovers out there? Where are my Gucci lovers out there? Where are the YSL? Every name brand out there. Who wants to have their own picture frame of Louis Vuitton? There you go, right here. DIY. Do it yourself, guys. Canvas, get a cheap 99 cents picture frame. Don't matter. It could be a $10 one, whatever you guys want to use. Have your own Louis Vuitton picture frame. You could put your wedding picture in there. You could put your birthday picture. You could put your baby's picture. Anything you want. Let me turn it around. I only paid 99 cents for this. Right there, 99 cents. And I made it look fabulous like this. I did this a few years ago. I just want to show you guys, you can have anything you want. You could do whatever you want. You could dress up your home any way you want for a fraction of the cost. Always use your creativity. Don't let no one tell you what to do. Do what your heart desires. You want to paint? Paint. If you want to do DIYs, go right ahead. If you want to shop till you drop, you can. It's your hard-earned money. You work for it. You deserve it. Anybody can do this. I hope everyone loves the video. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube as well. I'll see everyone later. Bye.